Today I'm going to show you guys how to change your resolution and display size on your Windows 10 computer. So this is a pretty straightforward tutorial and I can see how it can benefit a lot of people. So I thought I'd make this tutorial today and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by heading over and left clicking on the start button to open up the start menu. And then I'm going to left click on this gear icon where if you hover over it, it says settings. So you want to left click on that. So now in this new settings window, you want to left click on the first tile that should say system. You want to left click on that. And then the first option or first setting underneath system should say display. You want to make sure you're underneath display here. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down using the scroll bar. And then you can also close out of the settings window here. And then you can go back to the start menu, left click on it to open it up, and then type in screen resolution. And there should be something now that says change the screen resolution right above system settings. You want to left click on that. And if you scroll down, you also have the ability underneath related settings to go underneath advanced sizing of text and other items by left clicking on that. And you can change the text size appearance as well. So it's pretty straightforward and it's pretty self-intuitive. But anyway, I hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.